Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Isdone.dll and Unarc.dll. So it often happen when you are try to install the large file, the large size file, and of course especially PC games here. And also, well, installation. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle, you may your PC may through this error. And also, this error may be also associated with memory error or hard drive error on your computer. And there are a few fixes that we can run that might be resolve your issues. Thanks to Answer.Microsoft. And also, here we go. In order to fix it, you can try to press Windows plus R buttons on your keyboard and open run command box sysdmcpl. Here we go, sysdmcpl. Click OK, click Advanced, click Settings, and click on Advanced again. And here we go. This is the virtual memory. A paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses if it's were RAM. Also, you can untick. Here you can try to fill this custom size with initial size and maximum size. You can try to learn. For example, for most games, 2.5 gigabyte is enough, so the value which work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the value is here in megabytes, so set the maximum paging file used to turn of 3 gigabytes. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click this button below. See you in the next video.